What's the meaning of berkelium? Berkelium. Berkelium.
Berkelium. Berkelium. Berkelium is a synthetic element with the symbol Bk and atomic number 97. It was discovered in 1949 by Glenn T. Seaborg, Albert Ghiorso, and Stanley G. Thompson at the University of California, Berkeley. Berkelium is a radioactive metal that is silvery white in color and has a lustrous appearance. It is not found naturally on Earth and is produced through nuclear reactions involving uranium or plutonium. Berkelium has no known biological role and is highly toxic due to its radioactivity. It is mainly used for scientific research purposes, such as in the study of nuclear physics, as well as in the production of other synthetic elements.